Hello guys, I have here a Hikvision 7-inch video door phone. I'm going to open the box and you're going to see what's inside the box. This is how the packaging looks like. The model number is Ds-Kis202. I'm going to open it. Here we go. We have here the manual and some cables. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cables. This is the indoor panel where you see whoever is at the door or at your gate. This device here displays the video coming in from the outdoor panel. Over here you have the mounting bracket, which you need to mount the indoor panel. You need to first drill the wall and fix this thing on the wall, and then you mount it like this. Like that. You also find a very long cable that you need to connect. This long cable connects the outdoor unit to the indoor unit, like that. One end connects and the other end connects to the outdoor unit. Over here is the outdoor panel. And this is the housing that you will first of all screw onto the wall before you fix this thing inside. You first of all mount this one on the wall before you fix this thing inside. And this is a 12 volts adapter to power the unit. This is all that you need to power the unit. It's a 12 volt adapter. 12 volts. 12 volts adapter. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to power this thing. I have here the outdoor unit, the indoor panel, and this is the outdoor panel. And I need this thing to power them. I'll need one of the cables, one of the short cables, and then of course the longer one. I need a long one to connect to like that. And then this connects here like that, and like that. Then I need a 12-volt adapter with one of these short cables. Now this connects here. This is where you connect the power. And we are going to connect this cable to the 12-volt adapter. So I'm going to strip the 12-volt adapter. So I'm going to connect the positive Let me connect the positive side, the positive, like that, and the negative side to the negative. I'm going to use sellotape. Just to tape it temporarily. Like that. So I have the power cable connected to the power side of the indoor panel, and then the long data cable connected, and then the other end, is connected to the outdoor panel. So now I'm going to power the device on. I'm going to power the device on. And there's power in the device now. Hello. Once again, let me press the bell, and it rings on the indoor panel, and you can actually see my picture. You can see my picture. Okay guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share.